Clear your mind. You've heard it 1,000 times. Empty your thoughts. Achieve mental silence. Become a blank slate of Zen perfection. In my opinion, it's pretentious drivel. Your brain doesn't have a delete button, and pretending it does just makes you feel worse when the thoughts keep coming. Today, we're going to tear apart this tired cliche, look at what's actually happening in your skull, trace where this nonsense came from, and find something that actually works. No incense required. I've been through the self-help gauntlet, the apps, the retreats, the expensive cushions, the guru with the suspiciously white teeth promising me enlightenment in 21 days. And every single time someone told me to clear my mind, I'd sit there, eyes closed, trying desperately to think about nothing, while my brain served up a highlight reel of every embarrassing thing I've ever said, my grocery list, and that song from a commercial I hate. Then I'd feel like a failure, because clearly everyone else could do this magical mind-erasing trick, right? They all looked so peaceful in the stock photos. Plot twist, they're all faking it too. Your mind doesn't clear. It never has. It never will. And chasing that impossible goal is the exact opposite of helpful. Let's give it a try, taking our first deep breath. Here's what's actually happening when you're told to clear your mind. Absolutely nothing changes in your neurology. Your brain produces somewhere between 6,000 and 60,000 thoughts per day. The research can't even pin it down because they never stop coming. That's what brains do. They generate thoughts. It's like telling your heart to stop beating, but, in a chill way. When you're stressed, your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, is firing. Cortisol is flooding your system. Your nervous system is in fight or flight mode. And someone chirping, "Just clear your mind" at you is like telling a fire alarm to calm down while the building's still smoking. The physiology doesn't respond to slogans. It responds to signals, breathing patterns, muscle tension, sensory input. You can't think your way out of a biochemical state. You have to change the inputs. Another breath here. This empty mind fantasy isn't new. Western culture grabbed it from a bastardized version of Eastern meditation practices in the 1960s and 70s, stripped out the context, slapped it on a poster with a sunset, and sold it as instant enlightenment. But even in traditional Buddhist meditation, the goal was never to stop thinking. It was to observe thoughts without attachment, to notice them like clouds passing. That's a radically different instruction. Meanwhile, Stoic philosophers 2,000 years ago were saying basically the same thing. You can't control what pops into your head, but you can control what you do with it. This idea that you should achieve some pristine mental void? That's modern marketing. It's the spiritual equivalent of Photoshop, an impossible standard that makes you feel inadequate, so you'll buy the next course, the next book, the next solution. One more breath. So, what actually works? Stop trying to clear your mind. Start trying to anchor it. Pick something simple, your breath, the sounds around you, the feeling of your feet on the floor. When thoughts come, and they will come constantly, like pop-up ads in your consciousness, you don't fight them. You notice them, and then you return to your anchor. That's it. You're not trying to achieve silence. You're practicing the return, the coming back, over and over. Think of it like a bicep curl for your attention. You're not trying to hold the weight motionless in the air forever. You're building strength through repetition. Thought appears, you notice it, you return to breath. Thought appears, you notice it, you return to breath. That's the practice. It's not transcendent, it's training. And it actually works because it matches what your brain can do, not what Instagram told you it should do. And a final breath here. That's it. You just did 5 minutes without pretending to be someone you're not. Your mind wandered. Good. That's what minds do. You're not broken. The instructions were just bad. See you next time.